you can actually send multiple junk packets to server, and you can actually make the server to decrypt all my junk packets, and the server will actually use most of its resources to decrypt it, not serving the original authentic user. Now in the meanwhile, Bob comes with the original packet and asks the server is actually busy in decrypting some junk packets, right? So what can we do? Sorry? Exactly, that's the answer. That is called authenticated encryption, all right? So previously what you're doing is, you're computing the MAC on the plaintext and then encrypting the content. And the MAC for the plaintext is sent along with the ciphertext, all right? Now for the solution, look at it. You have the plaintext, right? Now the plaintext is encrypted initially by using the session key. You got the encrypted ciphertext, all right? Now on this encrypted ciphertext, you compute the MAC, the integrity check, all right? Now what's sent from the client to server is the ciphertext that was computed in the step 2 and the MAC that was computed in the step 2, all right? So when server receives this, server will not decrypt the key at the first step. Why? Because server will actually try to authenticate the packet that she received. Okay, now server will recompute the MAC for the ciphertext, and the MAC that she got is compared to the MAC that was sent. Only when these two criteria are satisfied, server will consume the packet and do the later on, the processing. So over here, the verification is happening first, and then decryption happens. Okay, this is also called encrypt then MAC. You're first encrypting it, then computing the MAC on the encryption text. All right, so previously what you saw was MAC then encrypt. Now this is encrypt then MAC, also called authenticated encryption. The server is actually authenticating the data before decrypting the message. Now if you try to bombard something in the middle, server would actually compute the MAC, and since the MAC doesn't match, it will fail. So the decryption key was never used to decrypt the data. If the MAC fails, the decryption key is never used to decrypt it. All right?